chapter on to be ungrateful to one's husband, and disbelief is of different grades, lesser or greater degrees. This is narrated by Aba Sa'id al-Khudari, may Allah be pleased with him, on the authority of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Narrated Ibn Abbas, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, I was shown the hellfire, and that the majority of its dwellers were women who were disbelievers or ungrateful. It was asked, do they disbelieve in Allah, or are they ungrateful to Allah? He replied, they are ungrateful to their husbands and are ungrateful for the favors and the good charitable deeds done to them. If you have always been good, benevolent to one of them for a period of time, and then she sees something in you not of her liking, she will say, I have never seen any good from you.